Let's go over how to subtract fractions using an algorithm. First, I'm going to write the equation. I know the word difference means subtract. So I'm going to set up 5/12 minus 1/4. I'm noticing that my denominators are different and I need a common denominator in order to subtract. I'm going to use multiples to find a common denominator. And then I'm going to look for the least common multiple. I'm going to count by multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, and then I'm going to count by multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, and then I'm going to stop because I can see that my least common multiple equals 12. I'm noticing that 12 is a multiple of 4 because 4 times 3 equals 12. I'm going to use that to help me. I'm going to turn 1/4 into an equivalent fraction of 12ths using the identity property for multiplication. I know 4 times 3 equals 12. Well, I want to turn 1/4 into 12ths by multiplying it times 1 whole. I'm not changing the value, I'm changing it into an equivalent fraction. Well, 1 whole in thirds equals 3/3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. 1 times 3 equals 3. That means that 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. My equation then becomes 5/12 minus 3/12 equals 2/12. I look over at my answers. I don't have 2/12 as an answer. So I need to put my answer in simplest form. I'm going to use the factors of 2 and 12 to put my answer in simplest form. I know the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. That means 1 times 2 equals 2. The factors of 12 are 1 times 12 equals 12, 2 times 6 equals 12, 3 times 4 equals 12. I'm going to look for the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, the GCF, equals 2. I'm going to use that to help me put this in simplest form. 2/12. I'm going to divide by the greatest common factor. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. My answer in simplest form is 1/6.